Yenka Programming has a range of built-in functions to help you write more complex routines. Most are mathematical, for example, trigonometry, rounding numbers, and raising to powers. Here we are creating a simple flowchart. To use the built-in functions, type them into an expression, for example, when defining a variable or using a decision part. Here we're defining a random number using the rand function. This chooses a random number between 0 and 1. We're adding a delay to the program. This will let us see the number that's been generated. We'll use the steps variable to tell the girl how many steps to walk, so we need to round off the random number. To do this, we use another built-in function, round. This needs a value, so we type our variable steps inside the brackets. This expression will set a new value for the variable steps, rounding it to the nearest whole number. Now we can set up the walk action for the girl. We type the variable steps to tell her how many steps to take. This will give us a different value every time the program runs. Finally, we finish the program with a stop command. We'll add a monitor box to let us see how the steps variable is changed by the built-in functions. To resize this, click on it and drag the handles at its edges. Next, run the program. You can see how the steps variable is generated randomly and then rounded. There's a problem though. The character can't accept a value of 0 for the steps variable. She can't walk 0 steps. When an error like this occurs, click on the yellow warning sign to read about the problem. To fix this, we'll modify the expressions. First, we add 1 to the final rounded number of steps. If it ever has the value 0, this will make it equal 1. Next, we'll multiply the first random number by 3. This means that instead of being between 0 and 1, it will be between 0 and 3. Together, these mean the girl will walk either 1, 2, 3 or 4 steps. We can run the program repeatedly and see the random numbers being generated, and the girl walking a random number of steps each time.